very hot. Oh, so cool. Let's have some ice cream. Where is ice cream? Ice cream. Oh, lots of sugar. Let's make fruit ice cream. Wow. Yummy, yummy fruits. Very yummy fruits. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! So yummy. Juice with the help of mommy. Wow. Make fruit ice cream. Added sugar, no preservative, no color. Yee. See, pink color. But we didn't add color. It is dragon fruit's pink.
Wow.
No added color. Let's add sticks. Yummy. Ice cream is ready now. Let's take ice cream from the fridge.
Wow.
Wow, so beautiful ice cream. What? Wait, I will give you. Mommy, I like it so much. Dragon fruit ice cream is so yummy. My lips is going to be pink.
Wow.
See, pink lips. Friends, you can also try our recipe. It's made with real fruits. It's so yummy. I can't wait to eat it. Without adding no sugar, no color, anything. It's so yummy, delicious. You can also try